Welcome to the Animal Side. Today, we embark on an incredible journey beneath the ocean's surface to explore the lives of the strongest and biggest animals in the sea. Our focus will be on three magnificent creatures: the blue whale, the whale shark, and the giant manta ray. We will uncover fascinating information about their feeding habits, migration patterns, and the challenges they face as endangered species. Let's dive in. 1. The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Imagine a creature the size of two school buses. Despite their massive size, blue whales are gentle giants. Blue whales have a unique way of feeding. They mainly eat tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. During feeding season, a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill every day. They use their enormous mouths to take in huge gulps of water filled with krill. Then they push the water out through their baleen plates, which act like a filter, trapping the krill inside. Blue whales are known for their long migration journeys. They travel thousands of miles between their feeding grounds in cold waters and their breeding grounds in warmer waters. This migration helps them find enough food and a safe place to give birth to their calves. Understanding these migration patterns is crucial for protecting these endangered species. Blue whales were once hunted to the brink of extinction for their blubber, which was used to make oil. Today, they are protected by international laws, but they still face threats from ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. 2. The whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the ocean. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh around 20 tons. Despite their size, whale sharks are not dangerous to humans. They are filter feeders, much like the blue whale. Whale sharks feed on plankton, small fish, and squid. They have a unique way of eating called ram feeding. They swim with their mouths wide open, allowing water and food to flow in. Their gills filter out the water, leaving the food behind. Whale sharks can often be seen feeding near the surface where plankton is abundant. Whale sharks are known for their mysterious migration patterns. They travel great distances across the world's oceans, but their exact routes are still not fully understood. Scientists use satellite tags to track their movements and gather information about their migration. This data is vital for their conservation. Whale sharks are listed as endangered species. They face threats from overfishing, habitat loss, and boat strikes. In some cultures, their fins and meat are highly valued, leading to illegal hunting. Efforts to protect whale sharks include creating marine protected areas and promoting sustainable tourism practices. 3. The giant manta ray. The giant manta ray is the largest species of ray. They can have a wingspan of up to 29 feet and weigh around 3,000 pounds. Manta rays are known for their graceful movements and gentle nature. Giant manta rays are filter feeders, similar to blue whales and whale sharks. They feed on plankton and small fish. Manta rays use a technique called barrel rolling to feed. They swim in loops, creating a vortex that traps their food. Their wide mouths and specialized gill rakers help them filter out the plankton from the water. Manta rays are also known for their long migrations. They travel across oceans to find food and suitable breeding sites. Some populations migrate to specific locations to form large feeding or mating aggregations. Tracking their movements helps scientists understand their behavior and protect their habitats. Giant manta rays are considered vulnerable and are listed as endangered species. They face threats from overfishing, bycatch, and habitat destruction. In some regions, their gill rakers are harvested for traditional medicine, putting additional pressure on their populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and reducing fishing pressures. Welcome to the Animal Sci, where we've explored the lives of the strongest and biggest animals in the sea. The blue whale, the whale shark, and the giant manta ray are true gentle giants. Understanding their feeding habits, migration patterns, and the threats they face is essential for their conservation. These magnificent creatures are not only vital to the health of our oceans, but also a reminder of the beauty and diversity of marine life. Let us all work together to protect and preserve these endangered species for future generations.